a tremendous, a shocking collision of two stars, neutron stars, up here above the earth in deep space. The Lord has already sent me, and I've used my left prophetic hand to push them, and they moved at a speed greater than the speed of light. It will shake the entire universe again.
Astronomers have captured a new collision between two neutron stars. They have named it GW190425. Earlier, astronomers captured the first neutron stars collision event in 2017. The two neutron stars in GW190425 were around 520 million light-years away, collided and merged into a single object. These events are helpful for astronomers to widen their knowledge about these colossal cosmic collision events and could reveal more interesting information regarding these cosmic events.
There is going to be a tremendous historic collision in the sky here.
और यहाँ पे आकाश में ग्रहों का एक बहुत ही बड़ा टकराव होगा.
It is an event that has never been seen since the earth was created.
The Lord, the God of Israel,
वो परमेश्वर जो इज़राइल का प्रभु है,
He is going to shake the heavens above the earth.
और वो स्वर्ग और हमारे जमीन को हिलाने वाला है.
And this is what is coming to happen.
और यही बातें हैं जो होने वाली हैं.
The most tremendous collision that has ever taken place above the earth.
और पृथ्वी में कभी ऐसी भयंकर बातें नहीं हुई होगी. तब जब वो टकराएगा दूसरा चांद, तब ये होगा.
And I see the particles are breaking off and sparks and a lot of gases and some bluish flames. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus,
पिता महान यीशु मसीह के नाम में,
with this hand you have moved the stars and the planets.
और वो हाथ जो सारे आकाश के ग्रहों को हिला देता है, वो हाथ,
with this hand you have moved the earth.
और वो हाथ जो सारे जो है पूरे चांद और सूर्य को हिला देता है.
Fox News tonight. This is a Fox News alert.
A violent cosmic crash in a distant galaxy. Scientists in the U.S. and Europe, for the first time ever, detected gravitational waves, the ripples in time and space, by closely observing two stars in outer space and watching as the stars crashed into each other.
Two stars colliding in a galaxy far, far away. And here is the actual sound of the collision. Resulting in a huge shock wave that rippled across the universe, around 800 billion miles from Earth.
Father, in the mighty name of Jesus,
पिता महान यीशु मसीह के नाम में,
with this hand you have moved the stars and the planets.
और वो हाथ जो सारे आकाश के ग्रहों को हिला देता है, वो हाथ,
The Lord, the God of Israel,
वो परमेश्वर जो इज़राइल का प्रभु है,
He is going to shake the heavens above the earth.
और वो स्वर्ग और हमारे जमीन को हिलाने वाला है.
And this is what is coming to happen.
और यही बातें हैं जो होने वाली हैं.
The most tremendous collision that has ever taken place above the earth.
और पृथ्वी में कभी ऐसी भयंकर बातें नहीं हुई होगी, तब जब वो टकराएगा दूसरा चांद, तब ये होगा.
And I see the particles are breaking off and sparks and a lot of gases and some bluish flames.
There is going to be a tremendous historic collision in the sky here.
और यहाँ पे आकाश में ग्रहों का एक बहुत ही बड़ा टकराव होगा.
It is an event that has never been seen since the earth was created.
Neutron stars.
Super heavy, super dense.
Extreme.
Gravitational. Magnetic. Hot.
Scary.
They destroy planets. They can even destroy stars.
A cosmic conundrum.
They're very massive, but they're also really small.
Tiny cosmic superpowers.
Neutron stars have been thrust very much to the forefront of modern astrophysics.
Neutron stars are the most interesting astrophysical object in the universe.
$130 million light years from Earth, a galaxy called NGC 4993. Two dead stars trapped in a rapidly diminishing spiral.
It's like listening to the ringing of the cosmos itself, the sound of that collision, if you will, imprinted on the fabric of space and time itself.
Livingston, Louisiana, the Advanced LIGO Observatory. Its mission? To detect gravitational waves generated in space.
A gravitational wave is a distortion of space-time that's caused by usually some kind of very traumatic gravitational event.
Events such as supernovas or the collision of black holes or massive stars. In 2017, LIGO picks up a different kind of signal.
The unfolding of the August 2017 event was nothing short of extraordinary. So the signal comes in, and the signal is strange. It has a long-lasting signal. It's over 100 seconds.
Less than 2 seconds later, a gamma ray telescope detected a flash of gamma rays from that same part of the sky.
And very quickly, the world's astronomers know that something is happening. Something's up, it's new, and it's different.
This combination of a long gravitational wave signal and a blaze of gamma rays acts as a beacon for astronomers.
When they saw this event, they sent out a worldwide alert to astronomers across the globe saying, hey, we saw something interesting, and it came from a particular patch of sky.
Then all the chatter started amongst the astronomical community, and everyone's starting pointing their telescopes at this one part of the sky.
Within hours, thousands of astronomers and physicists across the globe are frantically collecting data on this mysterious event.
There's not just the gravitational waves, there's not just the gamma rays. There's the visible light, there's infrared light, there's ultraviolet light. And all these signals together tell us a story.
And this was the very first time we've seen these two multiple messengers at once, gravitational waves and regular light. So that was a groundbreaking moment for astronomy.
It's the first time astronomers see neutron stars collide. They call it a kilonova. And this spectacular cosmic event doesn't just release energy.
The aftermath of this neutron star collision, this kilonova, created a tremendous amount of debris which blasted out into space.
But at the time, no one had actually seen a neutron star collision.
It was difficult to convince the community.
And this blows me away. This collision, this kilonova, produced several dozen times the mass of the Earth in just gold.
A neutron star is the densest material that we know of in the universe.
A single teaspoon of neutron star matter would weigh hundreds of millions of tons here on Earth.
There's so much information we got from observing that one single event, that one colliding neutron star pair. Now, for the first time, we have an accurate estimate of the mass of the neutron star and the diameter. We can finally begin to piece together how neutron stars really work.
With the neutron star, you're taking something that weighs more than the sun and compressing it down to be smaller than a city.
It's so dense that if you tried to put it on the ground, it would fall right through the Earth.
High density means high gravity. Gravity 200 billion times greater than on Earth. Added to the intense gravity are hugely powerful magnetic fields, awesome X-ray radiation, electric fields 30 million times more powerful than lightning bolts, and blizzards of high-energy particles. And as they spin, they generate flashing beams of energy. The crust is sprinkled with protons and electrons, spinning hundreds of times a second, generating an incredible magnetic field.
They have incredibly strong gravity, and this is what allows them to hold together even though they're spinning around so fast.
The speed of the spin is hard to imagine.
On Earth, a day is 24 hours long. On a neutron star, it's a 700th of a second long.
On this 14th of November, the year 2017, the Lord lifted me up and took me deep into space. And while there deep into space, He commanded me to command 2 neutron stars and push them with my left prophetic hand that they may collide in a most historic manner, never seen before. And I remember as I pushed my left prophetic hand, the dreadful hand of the Lord stretched it to go and push the 2 to collide. As I just began to stretch my hand towards them, they were pushed, and one of them was pushed a little faster than the other and headed to the other one to collide with it. I am prophesying a tremendous, a shocking collision of 2 stars, neutron stars, up here above the earth in deep space. The Lord has already sent me, and I've used my left prophetic hand they moved at a speed greater than the speed of light, it will shake the entire universe again. The Lord Jehovah Yahweh, He has spoken with me, beloved people, about a tremendous collision of two neutron stars up above the skies here. Up in the deep space above the sky, I have seen a tremendous collision of the two neutron stars.
Astronomers have captured a new collision between two neutron stars. They have named it GW190425. Earlier, astronomers captured the first neutron stars collision event in 2017. The two neutron stars in GW190425 were around 520 million light-years away, collided and merged into a single object. These events are helpful for astronomers to widen their knowledge about these colossal cosmic collision events and could reveal more interesting information regarding these cosmic events. This is he about whom the Bible spoke when the Lord promised that he would send you the messenger. He would send you Elijah, the great prophet, the dreadful prophet, the terrible prophet of Jehovah, the terrible prophet of Israel. And he would do these terrible things. This is he about whom the Messiah spoke when he said there would be the shaking of the